Our planet needs clean energy solutions. Renewable energy sources are naturally replenished, offering a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. They are crucial for combating climate change and ensuring a healthier future for everyone. Solar energy captures power from sunlight. Photovoltaic panels convert light directly into electricity through a process called the photovoltaic effect. Solar thermal systems use the sun's heat to warm water or air. This energy can be used for heating buildings or generating electricity via steam turbines. Wind turbines capture the kinetic energy of moving air. The wind turns large blades, which are connected to a generator that produces electricity. Wind farms can be built on land or in offshore locations. Wind power is a clean and increasingly cost-effective energy source. Hydroelectric power utilizes the energy of flowing water. Dams create reservoirs, and water released through turbines spins generators to produce electricity. This is a reliable source, providing consistent power generation. Smaller run-of-river systems also generate electricity without large dams. Geothermal energy taps into the Earth's internal heat. Hot water or steam from underground reservoirs is used to drive turbines and generate electricity. It can also be used directly for heating and cooling buildings. Geothermal power plants are typically located in areas with significant underground heat sources. Biomass energy comes from organic materials like plants, wood, and waste. These materials can be burned directly for heat or converted into biofuels like ethanol or biogas. Biomass is a versatile source, but its sustainability depends on responsible sourcing and management. It offers a way to utilize waste materials for energy. These renewable sources offer diverse ways to power our world cleanly. Investing in and developing these technologies is key to a sustainable and prosperous future. They represent hope for a cleaner planet.